Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ethan, aka Flutrix. I'm back with Jack. If you can see him back there. And today we're doing another basketball trick shot battle because these are fun. We're doing it in the rain today because that's kind of fun, but this is how it's gonna work. We have to make it from 3 different spots, and whoever can do it first wins. We start here, go to the rock, and then go to the bench. Whoever can do it first is the winner. Jack's first. Oh no! So he goes onto the rock, but I still get a try over there. Here. So now it's my turn. No. No. So now Jack's at the bench. So he's gonna try to get it from the bench. See if he can. He did this trick shot. Well, the rock. He did this trick shot in our basketball trick shot video. Let's see if he can do it again. Oh! No! He has only...
This might be a quick video.
This might be a quick video. We might add something on just to make it a little bit more interesting, though. If it goes too fast, we'll make it interesting. Yes!
Oh, but
So now
went
I'm
in.
onto the rock.
And I'm onto the bench.
You're at the bench. So if Jack makes this relatively quickly on the bench, what then we're gonna do is we have to go back to the rock and back to that after we make those shots. Go ahead. Oh. Okay, you missed. That's good for me. All right. It is now my turn. All right, I got through the rock this time. See if I can tie up with Jack. Yes! No!
It does not go in.
Yep, it does not go in. That is sad. The rain is kind of going on and off today, but that's okay. All right, Jack, your turn. He's still at the bench. See if he can do it. And he misses short. He's a little bit short, but that was close. Nice try. I'm back
And
on the
Ethan's at the rocks.
rock. Ethan's at the rock.
Let's see.
No!
Oh!
Super close. Looks like Jack's back up again. So yeah, someday Jack's gonna get his own channel, and so you guys gotta make sure to watch out for that and subscribe to him. Yes! Okay, so it looks like he looks really bummed out right now, but that was really close. Yeah, that was shocking that he didn't make that. Here you go. I'm still at the rock.
Yep.
Yep. Here we go. What?
Yes!
So Jack, you gotta make it from the bench. If you make it from the bench, you gotta go back to the rock.
Yep.
Yep.
I'll be tied with Ethan.
Well, halfway.
That's it.
Oh yes! How did you miss that?
I don't know.
You're hitting the back of the rim.
Ask the ball.
So if you noticed in our last basketball trick shot battle, I would always hit the back of the rim. There you
Yes.
go. And now Jack's doing the same.
Wait.
No.
No. Roll ball. Roll.
So that's kind of bad. Hope
Especially
Jack doesn't
since
make this, otherwise he'll
I'm
be kind of
bleeding by
tired.
so much.
You're bleeding? He's probably gonna make this, but that's in. What? How did that miss?
Ah!
I can't believe that missed. Here's the camera. All right, let's shoot. Nope.
Air ball. Ethan, air ball.
I'm really off my game lately.
It's an Ethan air ball.
Yeah, Ethan airball. Okay, Jack is still at the bench. How have you not made this yet?
I don't know, but I soon will.
By June. Yes! You hit the back of the rim and the backboard at the same time. I don't know if that's really a difference. I really hope I make this.
I'm gonna try to bank it now.
You're gonna try to bank it?
Yes.
I'm just going for whatever I get. I just want it in.
Let's see.
What?
Yeah. Now you know how I feel.
I do know how you feel.
Not as much, but
Yeah. Yeah. That's okay though. All right, Jack. Yes.
I will make it.
That time, He missed by a lot. I wonder if we can even make these shots. I know you can.
See it, Ethan.
All right, here we go.
Nope. Air ball. Another Ethan air ball.
Give this video a like and subscribe.
For Ethan's air ball.
Yep, and because we finally told you our real names. Okay, Jack. He's going to the bench again.
Okay.
And he misses! He misses again. This is going to get good.
No, it's not. You have
have
to make it.
like that?
Nope.
What?
You have to make it, not
I
miss
can't
it.
believe we did not make that. That's
Two
like-
very close shots do not fall.
We have so crazy close, but I can feel it. He can.
You will make me make it.
I got the force and he makes it. No, he doesn't. It hit the back of the rim. Again! Well, it looked like it went in the bush. I'm still on the rock. Jack is still on the bench. This is not going well. We still have to make it all the way back.
Yeah. I see it, Ethan.
Yes!
Actually,
Yes!
swish.
No! I got a chance to beat Jack in a battle.
Finally.
After he crushed me in the game of pig. It was pig to nothing. So, yeah, let's see what he has. Oh, come on! Okay, so he's back to the rock.
I
but-
matched it.
Yep, he has. I still have to make it from the bench, though. So, here we go.
Ethan, you never shot from a bench yet.
I haven't today yet. Yes! What?
Yeah. Welcome to my world.
Yeah, this is gonna probably be another minute or two of craze, but here we go, Jack. You got this. First time again? Yes! Let's go! Okay, so I'm still on the bench, which is not that good. I thought I would be doing a little bit better, but here we go.
I can feel it. I'm gonna win.
I didn't know.
Yes, I do feel it.
What?
Yeah.
I missed.
As long as you keep on missing from that spot,
You're gonna
I
win.
got it.
Yeah. So Jack just has to make it twice more from the two last spots. The rock and there.
That's it.
That's not in! So it turns out he missed that. And I'm super happy about it. So now I got a chance.
To be tied with me. Let's see it.
Let's see. What? Ah!
You dropped it, Ethan. And now
I know, that was so close.
you will get it.
I will get it. Jack's gonna win.
Yeah. Don't quit, Ethan.
I won't.
Oh God.
I'm gonna keep on going because I got faith in myself. I could get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh, fun fact. Maya just started to mow our lawn for us and it was kind of fun.
Okay. Fun fact.
We caught him last night. All right. That's it. What? Got it.
Bad
All right.
filming on the run.
That's okay. If it's on the run, usually it is bad filming. Okay. Jack has to make this again. All right. He only has to make one more shot and he wins. This is not good. What?
Ethan, will you make a comeback?
No. What?
A bad start to your comeback.
Yeah.
Comeback, because I am on the last shot with a chance to win right here.
Oh, yeah. Jack, if he makes this, he wins it all. Yes! He missed it. I'm still in. If he beats me again, it's okay though. Yeah. Here we go. Ow. You guys notice I threw up the ball and I hit my glasses up my nose?
Okay,
Ouch.
let's see it, Ethan. Will you be onto the rock?
Yes, I will.
Oh, that's too bad. Because you're a little bit.
You're gonna make it. You're
You're
gonna
a
make
little bit too late, Ethan.
it. Yeah, true that. Jax thinks he's gonna win. That's okay though. Did you make it? Yeah.
No,
Yes. From the camera, when you're looking in the camera, sometimes you really can't tell. That's okay though.
that's bad.
So it looks
you are on the rock. Let's see it, Ethan. Another shot that you will struggle with. I'm actually very not proud of myself. I'm not proud of myself.
After you missed most of them.
I'm so close to losing. I'm so close to winning.
All right,
And I'm so
let's
close
see it.
to him.
Jack has won the tournament. Okay, to make this interesting, I get one chance to make it from the rock and the other spot. Otherwise, we keep going on if I make it.
Well, good luck with that.
I'm probably not, though.
Ethan.
Oh!
Yes!
Jack!
I am the champion. I am the champion.
Yes, Jack has won. Great game, Jack.
2 for 2.
2 times. Yes, that was a great game. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out some other videos, I think, over on that side of us, right? And check out our channel also. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.